Well, hello, YouTube friends and fans. Today, the wife has a request to see if I can get this back working. So stick around and let's see what we can get accomplished. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So what we got is a broken wire right here between the two. So I'm going to snip it off, trim the insulation back, hopefully, and solder it back together. Looks like it's going to be a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Might need a razor blade. So, let's see if we can get this to. The problem with the razor blade is it's just as easy to damage these small wires as it is to well, might be at a lost cause here. Also have a piece of heat shrink. Put a little paste flux on there. Maybe that'll help it along. Looks like this might be a lost cause. Well, it did stick. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! It's a Christmas miracle. Pretty cool. Tickled pink that it is back together. Just got to heat shrink that tube down. Hey, if you like what we got accomplished here, hit that old subscribe and like, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.